Under Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, how many chapters and sections have been incorporated? A. 38 chapters, 486 sections. B. 37 chapters, 484 sections. C. 36 chapters, 484 sections. D. 35 chapters, 486 sections. इसका राइट आंसर है बी 37 चैप्टर्स 484 सेक्शंस Under Section 200 Criminal Procedure Code, recording of pre-summoning evidence may be dispensed with if a. The complaint is supported by an affidavit of the complainant, b. The complaint is made in writing by a public servant, c. The magistrate feels that ends of justice require pre-summoning evidence to be dispensed with, a. D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है बी द कंप्लेंट इज मेड इन राइटिंग बाय ए पब्लिक सर्वेंट The amount of fine which can be imposed by a magistrate of the second class has been enhanced by Criminal Procedure Amendment Act 2005 from rupees 1000 to rupees 3000, rupees 5000, rupees 7000, none of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है बी रुपीज 5000. Dash may empower any magistrate of the second class to take cognizance under Section 190 Clause 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 of such offences are within the competence to inquire into or try. A. High Court. B. Chief Judicial Magistrate. C. State Government. D. Court of Session. इसका राइट आंसर है बी चीफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट Period of limitations for an offence punishable with a term of 2 years as per section 468 of Criminal Procedure Code is A 6 months, B 1 year, C 2 years, D 3 years. इसका राइट आंसर है डी 3 years. Which statement is wrong? A. Under Section 311 Criminal Procedure Code, witnesses can be recalled at any stage. B. If the evidence of a person appears to be essential for the just decision of the case, then the recording of the statement of the witness under Section 311 is mandatory. C. Aim of Section 311 is not to fill a gap of prosecution but to discover truth. The all of the above is correct. इसका राइट आंसर है डी all of the above is correct. Tender of pardon under Section 306 Criminal Procedure Code 1973 applies to A. All offences triable by the judicial magistrate first class. B. Offences punishable with death or life imprisonment or imprisonment up to 7 years or more. C. Only to terrorist offences. D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है बी ऑफेंसेस पनिशेबल विद डेथ और लाइफ imprisonment or imprisonment up to 7 years or more. Police report under the Criminal Procedure Code of 1973 is A report made to the police, B report of police officer on completion of investigation sent to a competent magistrate, C a preliminary report, D an ad hoc report. इसका राइट आंसर है बी रिपोर्ट ऑफ पुलिस ऑफिसर ऑन completion of investigation sent to a competent magistrate. A warrant of arrest is a command and should be A must be in writing, B must be signed, sealed and issued by a magistrate, C. addressed to a police officer, D. all of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, all of the above. Which of these cannot make an arrest as per the provisions of the Criminal Procedure Code? A. Private person. B. Judicial magistrate. C. Executive magistrate. D. Armed forces personnel. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, आर्म्ड फोर्सेस पर्सनल. In a bailable offence, the bail is granted as a matter of right: A. By the police officer. B. By the court. C. Both by the police officer and the court. D. Either A or B. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, both by the police officer and the court. The withdrawal from the prosecution by the public prosecutor in a case where a charge is required to be framed before the charge has been framed shall have the effect of death of the accused: A. Discharge. B. Acquittal. C. Release. D. Composition with. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, डिस्चार्ज. Under Criminal Procedure Code, the period of limitation for taking cognizance of any offence shall be 3 years dash. A. If the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 3 years. B. If the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 3 years but not exceeding 7 years. C. If the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 10 years. D. If the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, इफ द ऑफेंस इज पनिशेबल विद imprisonment फॉर अ टर्म एक्सीडिंग 1 year बट नॉट एक्सीडिंग 3 years. Which one of the following courts under Criminal Procedure Code 1973 can try a murder case? A. Judicial Magistrate First Class. B. Chief Judicial Magistrate. C. Court of Session. D. None of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन. The general rule in relation to fixing the amount of any bond under provisions as to bail and bonds of Criminal Procedure Code is that it should not be A. Oppressive. B. Unreasonable. C. Excessive. D. Meager. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, एक्सेसिव. Under Section 102 of Criminal Procedure Code, who is authorized to seize stolen property? A. Police officer. B. Judicial magistrate. C. Executive magistrate. D. Special magistrate. इसका राइट आंसर है ए, पुलिस ऑफिसर. In dash, the Supreme Court directed to upload copies of First Information Report (FIR) within dash hours on police website. A. PUCL versus Union of India 12 hours. B. Youth Bar Association versus Union of India 24 hours. C. Common Causes versus Union of India 48 hours. D. Santi Bhushan versus Registrar Supreme Court 24 hours. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, यूथ बार एसोसिएशन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 24 आवर्स. Which of the following deals with the judgments of subordinate appellate court. A. Section 586 Criminal Procedure Code. B. Section 287 Criminal Procedure Code. C. Section 387 Criminal Procedure Code. D. Section 289 Criminal Procedure Code. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, सेक्शन 387 क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड। Which of the following section deals with the pronouncement of judgment in open court by the presiding officer? A. Section 286 Criminal Procedure Code. B. Section 353 Criminal Procedure Code. C. Section 388 Criminal Procedure Code. D. Section 289 Criminal Procedure Code. इसका राइट आंसर है बी, सेक्शन 353 क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड। Which section of the Criminal Procedure Code provides that no statement made by any person to a police officer in the course of an investigation shall, if reduced to writing, be signed by the person making it? Section 164, Section 163, Section 162, Section 161. इसका राइट आंसर है सी, सेक्शन 162।